brought the bike in, obviously had it in the garage over winter, not really used it. I do use it a little bit over winter, but it's not really been using it like I do generally. So yeah, just brought it in to prep it ready for spring. Yeah, new tyres, so brought it out. Unfortunately, I live near a scrap yard. Just come out from the scrap yard and it seems like I picked up a nail or a bit of metal, so got a puncture in the rear tyre. I have got a rally coming up in May time anyway, so I like these Mitters tyres, so I've had a set of the Mitters tyres put on. Panniers are in the garage on our Evotech pannier racks. They've been in storage over winter. Just giving it a general check over, so obviously we start off with our Evotech parts tray, so anything that we take off. These new ones are magnetic as well, so if you're on a ramp or anything like that, it saves them sliding around. Tool storage wise, so on the tool storage, we use we've got our own Evotech T-bar holders, so these are the same as what the race teams all use. Cable tie holders, so obviously cable ties are a big thing in motorbike maintenance. Because I do quite long miles, quite long days, so if I go out, I'm generally like 400 or 500 mile days, so I'll always keep a few cable ties with me. I will always keep the plug-in kit in case we do get a puncture. So another thing we've done on the bike for the GSAs, side stand spreader plate on. We've got the lifter on this. Anyone that has one of these BMW knows they tip over quite a long way, so we've actually made a riser that fits onto the spreader plate. Because of the time of year that it is as well, I always just make sure that I've got my Evotech side stand hook as well, so that just fits on the bottom there. So another thing that I'm doing on the Beamer ready for this year is I use a system called Calimoto, which quite a lot of people do. I'm on Android Auto, it doesn't work on Calimoto unfortunately. I've been using the Chiggy system for my sat nav over the last year. So yeah, I use a Peak Design mount on my phone, so we've designed this bracket that fits with the BMW sat nav. So that should just fit straight onto there, now clipped in, locked in place. And then I can get my Samsung phone, just pop it on there, as easy as that. Now I can run my Calimoto, Google Maps, whatever I want to run. So yeah, also another handy tool to have in the garage at all times, the Evotech wash tray. So stackable, so we've got a solid parts tray at the bottom there, and then the perforated tray there. So if you've got any parts that you need to wash down, you also stack with the Evotech parts tray as well, so the whole lot is not taking up loads of space in your garage. Stack them all up and then just keep them on the side, and then if you need to use them, they're there to use. Another little handy tool as well that I've got, I always keep with me, is the Evotech brake lever, stopper. So you pop it on the brake lever, clips over there, dead handy when we went across the Isle of Mull last year. Put it on the ferry, just put the brake stop on there, keeps your front brake held on. Ideal if you putting your bike in vans or whatever, keep one in my bag at all times. What's that, Mike? What we got here? Chain lubricator, Evotech chain lubricator. Good old Mike, eh? Shaft driven bike, Evotech chain luber. Yeah, dead handy piece of kit. You can put your chain lube in there. We've designed it so it slips onto the pipe. Only obviously works with bikes with chains, not my shaft driven BMW. I hope you've enjoyed that little insight into the Evotech bits that we use for getting our bikes ready for spring. Yeah, enjoy and be safe.